Okay, so question number 12 on page 58, we're solving the quadratic function. So this one, looks like we have a structure of difference of square. There are many methods that we can do. First of all, we're gonna use the most conventional way to do it. We're just gonna open it up. So the first thing is, if we're gonna open it up, 2x minus 5 to the power of 2 will be 4x squared minus 20x plus 25. And next, we'll have x squared plus 12x minus 36 equal to 5. Don't ask me how do I get to plus and minus. We talked about it in the previous video. If there is negative or subtraction before the bracket when we open it up, the sign needs to be changed. Okay, so now we can combine the terms together. We have 4x squared and minus x squared, which give me 3x squared. Minus 20x plus 12x will give me minus 8x. Plus 25 minus 36 will give me minus 11. And I will also minus 5 as well, will give me 0. So I just move the 5 to the left side. All right, so now I have 3x squared minus 8x minus 16 equal to 0. A couple ways to do this one as well. That's first by saying if we can factorize this. So I have 3, 1. And let's say if we have negative 4 and 4. How do I get negative 4 and 4? Because the negative 16 over here is 4 times negative 4 or negative 4 times 4. In this case, this cross multiply, we have 3 times negative 4 will give you negative 12. 1 times 4 will be 4. All right, so if we add them together, it'll give me a negative 8. So that basically matches that negative 8 over here. So perfect. So in that case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use 3x plus 4. All right, so then x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 4 over 3, and also x is equal to 4. So two answers, x is equal to negative 4 over 3, and x is equal to 4. So this is one of the methods that you can do it. The second method, however, we're going to use difference of a square. So difference of square, basically we can treat this one and this one as a whole term, which means that this basically is a squared, this one is b squared. So watch this, okay? We know that the difference of square, if we have a squared minus b squared, is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So instead of using a and b, we're going to use 2x minus 5 to represent a, and then x minus 6 to represent b. And we're just going to put in the terms like that. So now, the first one become 2x minus 5 plus x minus 6. And then we're going to have 2x minus 5 minus x plus 6. Okay, and sign changes, right? And what we're going to do is that we're going to simplify the terms inside and simplify the terms inside, and then we're going to multiply it at the end. So I'm not going to go into too much details. The answer is supposed to be the same, but there are two approaches to do the same question. Even with the last step, which is 3x squared minus 8x minus 16, whether you want to use factorization, like what I just did, or you want to use completing square, or you want to use the quadratic formula, it's all your preference. Me personally, I think factorization is the easiest one because I got two things multiplying together, which get 0, and bam, bam, I get my answer, right? So again, it's up to you what you want to do, and I'll see you guys in the next video.